Hi guys, this is the EURUSD trade which I shared with you yesterday in the webinar, and as I explained, the trend was bearish, and we can see that we're just using price action for this trade. So we can see that we were making higher highs and higher lows, then we shifted structure and we broke this low over here. So then we made a new lower low and then a new lower high over here. So then I was waiting on the shorter time frames, and I drew this level of support over here. So once we broke that, I basically missed it over here on the short time frames to take it on the pullback over here. But then price came again in the New York session around the afternoon, and I took it there, and then off we went, and the trade has been basically in profit since then. Hardly any drawdown over there. It is coming to 116 psychological level over here, as we can see, and part of it is also moving it quite fast over here, because we are seeing the dollar index also breaking to the upside, and today it has done around 54 odd pips. Normally average is 72, but because it's coming up to this level of psychological area 116, I'm going to take some profit off and leave some to run. So what I'm going to do for that is over here, you can see there as well, we are coming to this monthly 200 EMA over here. So what I will do is I'll take some partial profit. I'm going to close one lot, and I'm going to move my stop loss to basically break even, just a few pips down there, and then I'll see how far this can go. My overall take profit is here, so if it is to take profit, I'm pretty happy with it, because then what I can do is I can wait for this breakout at 116, pull back, and then look to short that trade again, because there's a lot of fresh room down here. So that's the plan, and I'll let you guys know what happens next. Thank you. Hi guys, day 3 of this trade on Euro USD. So at the moment we are around 100 pips in profit, and I did come yesterday around the area and I was not at the screen, so I missed it. I was going to close the trade, and then it raced overnight, and now we're getting the move back down again. So I'm just going to close the trade, because later on Powell is speaking on the calendar here, Forex calendar. So if he says something that could cause the trade to reverse or even go in the direction I want, but and you can also see that NFP has been taken out. So I think they said until the government does not open, they're not going to announce the news. So they have taken it out of here, and you have some news there tomorrow as well for the USD. So I have one lot left on this, so I'm just going to close that, and that is 100 pips for the week. Thank you.